Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by cutting water and releasing pressure. This prevents a flood and protects the membrane. Once done, remove the housing cap carefully. Make sure to catch water in a bucket. Inspect O-rings, alignment, and the membrane end caps for obvious damage. You should be wearing gloves and using a flashlight to see inside. Take note of the membrane model and age so you can compare specifications. This helps determine if flow loss is due to wear versus installation issues. Now focus on the complex checks. Visually scan the membrane for fouling. Brown or slimy deposits mean biofilm, which restricts pores. Next, test performance. Measure feed and permeate flow plus TDS. These numbers tell you if the membrane separates correctly. If the system allows, perform a manufacturer-recommended flush or backwash to clear deposits, and then recheck flows. Make sure spacers and seals sit correctly. Misaligned components create channeling and false failure readings, so correct them. Finish by reassembling the housing and bringing the system up to normal pressure slowly. This prevents shock to the membrane. Then measure flow and TDS again and compare with your baseline. If readings improved, the issue was likely fouling. If not, prepare for a chemical clean or replacement. If problems remain, troubleshoot. Check O-rings for cuts, verify pump pressure, and confirm flow restrictor settings. One key tip: if you still see high TDS after cleaning, replace the membrane. Continued use risks contamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.